Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. I am Abdul, assistant teacher of Khelna BL High School, Khelna Jamarat Nonga. Dear student, I hope you are well in this epidemic period of COVID-19. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to take a class about voice of class 9-10. This class also helped another student of class 6, 7 and 8. So I request you to view the full class attentively. I hope by the class you will be able to change the voice easily from active to passive. At first we should know what is voice. Let's go to the board. The manner of expressing verb is called voice. The manner of expressing verb is called voice. That means ক্রিয়া প্রকাশের ভঙ্গিকেই ভয়েস বলে। How many kinds of voice? There are two kinds of voice. One is active and the other is passive. Active means কর্তৃবাচ্য and the passive means কর্মবাচ্য. Here active, passive. Now we will know what is active voice. When verb is controlled by subject, then it is called active voice. And when verb is controlled by object, then it is called passive voice. When verbs are controlled by subject, then it is called active voice. When verbs are controlled by object, then it is called passive voice. That means ক্রিয়া যখন সাবজেক্ট দ্বারা নিয়ন্ত্রিত হবে তখন তাকে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস বলে, এন্ড প্যাসিভ ভয়েস ক্রিয়া যখন অবজেক্ট দ্বারা নিয়ন্ত্রিত হবে তখন তাকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েস বলে। Now I am writing an example. We play football and the example of passive voice, football is played by us. Here the verb is controlled by subject, so it is called active voice, and in the passive voice the verb is controlled by object, as football is an object, so it is a passive voice. If we want to change the voice from active to passive, we should know some general rules of changing voice. Now I am writing in the board. Number 1 is subject will be object. Number 1 will be object. Subject will be object. Number 2 object be subject. That means subject of an active voice will be object of a passive voice, and the object of an active voice will be subject of a passive voice. Number 3, there need an auxiliary verb. The need an auxiliary verb according to tense. they need an auxiliary verb according to tense. Number 4. The main verb is always in the past participle form. The main verb is always in the past. Here it is participle form. And number 5, there need a preposition. A preposition there need a preposition before the object. Before the object. Here is the 5 rules of changing voice. I am speaking again. Subject will be object and object will be subject. There need an auxiliary verb according to tense, and the main verb is always in the past participle form. And number 5, there need a preposition before the object. The preposition may be by, at, with, in, but maximum time the preposition by is needed. Okay, now let's go to an example. Seema, is drawing a picture. If we want to change the voice from active to passive, at first we should identify what is subject, what is verb, and what is object. In the sentence, we identify that Shima is a subject, is an auxiliary verb, drawing is a main verb, so we underline as verb, a picture is object. If we get subject, verb and object, it is easy to change the voice from active to passive, because we know object will be subject, subject will be object. According to tense, there need an auxiliary verb, and the main verb is always in the past participle form, and there need a preposition by. So let's start. Object will be subject, a picture. Now we have to identify what tense is it. It is present continuous tense. If the tense is present continuous tense, we get an auxiliary verb, and there am being, is being, or are being. A picture is being. Now the main verb is always in the past participle form. Draw. The past participle form of draw is drawn. A picture is drawn. We need a preposition by. Now the subject will be object by Shima. I am writing some objective form of the subject. I to you, you to you, he to him, she to her, they to them. And if an name is seen, the name is always in the same way, Rohim. Now I am writing some auxiliary verb according to tense. If the tense is present in the tense, the auxiliary verb will be am, is, or If the tense is present continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be am being, is being, or are being. If the tense is present perfect tense, the auxiliary verbs will be have been or has been. If the tense is past indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be was or were. And at the time of past continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be was being or were being. And in the past perfect tense, the auxiliary verb will be had been. The same way, when the tense is future indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be future indefinite tense. The auxiliary verb will be shall be or will be. And future continuous tense, the auxiliary verb will be or shall be being. Shall be being or will be being. And future perfect tense, the auxiliary verb shall have been or will have been. Or will have been. Okay. Now go to another example for changing a phrase. Shima has done the work. Rina has done the work. Here, Rina is the subject, has done is a verb, and the work is a object. When we don't find the subject, we can ask the main verb with who. Rina has done the work. If we ask the main verb who with who has done the work? Who has done the work? Answer is Rina, so it is subject. If we find the object, we can ask the main verb whom, or we can ask the main verb whom or what. What or whom. I am speaking again. If we want to find a subject, we can ask the main verb as who, with who. I am speaking Bengali. আমরা যদি সাবজেক্টকে বের করতে চাই তাহলে আমরা মূল ভার্বকে হু দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করতে হবে, তাহলে আমরা সাবজেক্ট পেয়ে যাব। আর যদি আমরা অবজেক্টকে বের করতে চাই তাহলে আমরা মূল ভার্বকে হোয়াট বা হুম দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করলে আমরা অবজেক্ট খুঁজে পাবো। যেমন এখানে দেখো, রিনা হ্যাজ ডান দ্য ওয়ার্ক, রিনা কাজটি করেছে। হু হ্যাজ ডান দ্য ওয়ার্ক? রিনা। হু হ্যাজ ডান দ্য ওয়ার্ক? রিনা। রিনা কাজটি করেছে। And if we want to find the object, we can ask the main verb as with what or whom. Who has done the work? Who has done the work? কে কাজটি করেছে?